Hey everybody, this is Brody back here again at Stellhorn RV, the home to warranty forever. Today we're checking out one of our nicest Chaparral fifth wheels. This is the Chaparral 360IBL, and I want to go over a few of the outdoor features and we'll go inside and check out some more. But one of the first things I want to tell you about is the Azdel composite sidewalls. That means there is no wood in this sidewall, so you're not going to have to worry about any water getting in there and delaminating the sidewall. There's no wood in that sidewall, so keep that in mind. This one also has the auto leveling system, so you'll see jacks underneath. You just push a button, the camper levels itself. It's also equipped with solar panels, so you don't have to buy those extra. Now let's go inside, check out a few more items. Now we're inside the 360IBL, and there's so much going on here. We've got an entertainment system with TV, fireplace, and soundbar. Tons of seating in this guy, as well as all the windows. Yeah, all these windows, that way you can see all your campsite, see the kids playing. And look over here, you've got a huge kitchen area. Island with bar, microwave, stove, 12-volt refrigerator. So that means that fridge can actually run when you're going down the road. Huge storage area, big sink, and that's the farm sink, so you can fit all the pots and pans and dishes in there. But wait guys, there's a little bit more. Let's go check it out. Check this out guys. This is going to be a huge bunk room with two double bunks over each other, and that top bunk has a 300-pound capacity, so it's perfect for adults. So go check that out. Yep, follow me this way. Up here is your master bedroom with your own second air conditioner to keep this area cool. Queen size bed with a slide out, so it gives you tons of walk around room. Plus you have all the storage up here as well as a washer dryer prep. So come and check out this one today.